Hello, children. Today we are going to work on the sound of OT. The sound that OT makes together. The sound that OT makes together is ot, ot, ot. Okay? Now let's look at some words with the sound ot. Now, if you look at these words, they all have OT on the end of them. Right? So let's look at this one. This word is cot. A cot is like a little small bed that you lay on that can be folded up. It's a cot. Dot. Dot. Like you make a dot, like right here with this letter, it has a dot. Got. Hot. Jot. To jot is like to write something down real fast. You jot it down. Knot. Like you make a knot. You tie your sneakers or something and you accidentally make a knot in it. Knot. Lot. Like you have many things. You have a lot of stuff. Lot. Not. Pot. Rot. Like something spoiled or something is rotten away, is it rot. Shot. Slot. Like a slot is like a little opening to something. Like you might see a machine that take coins and it has a little slot for the coins to go in. Slot. Spot. Trot. Trot is like running kind of fast, not really fast. Something like what horses do. They trot. Trot. If you add if you add a H to OT, like this word, other. See, other has OT, but there's a H next to that T. The sound changes because TH is makes that sound, makes the sound. So then it changes the O sound. And the O now makes the sound instead of it makes So that word is now other. Other. The letters together, ER, the ER on that word makes the sound ER on the word other. ER makes the sound TH makes the sound Now this makes this right here change. The O changes to other. And here's the word right here. Other. Put a BR in front of other and you have brother. Put a M in front of other and you have mother. Put a AN in front of other and you have another. Put a SM in front of other. Now you have smother. Smother is like when you cut off the air circulation to somebody or something. They can't breathe. That's you smothered them. If you put an E on not, remember we was talking about not and hot and cotton and all that? But if you put an E on not, that will change the whole sound to this word right here. It won't sound like not anymore. The word becomes note. Now the O makes the O sound instead of ah. It makes the O sound. So now the word is note. Note. Remote. Something remote is like far away, far off. Vote. Wrote. Coat. A coat is a shelter for animals or birds. That's what a coat is, a shelter for animals or birds. Remote control. You know, the remote control you use to change the channel on the TV. Remote control. Cot. And put tidge on it. That equal cottage. Cottage is like a small house. That's a cottage. Cot and put ton on it equals cotton. You know, cotton, that soft white stuff, cotton. Okay, so that's the end of that for today. So remember, OT makes the ah sound. Talk to you later.